In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A26 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, launch it. Hit OK in the pop-up and go into Tab menu to edit it. In order to do that, use this pen at the top. Hit Edit here and look for Caffeine shortcut under available buttons. When you find it, hold it, drag it to your current shortcuts and hit Done twice. Then tap on your Caffeine shortcut and select gray switcher next to Allow Permission. Lastly, go back to your Tab menu, but this time to activate your shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!